Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. The topic of this video is conflict management. And the way we are going to approach conflict will depend on how much focus we put on two key dimensions: the relationship and our own agenda, goals, expectations. Then, depending on how we balance those two elements, we ended up having with 5 different styles of dealing with conflicts. To understand those 5 styles, let me give you a pragmatic example. Let's say that it's Saturday night, you're going to have a discussion with your partner about what to do tonight, and you're very keen to go and watch a new movie. If you're using a directing style, then you're likely to say, tonight I would really like to go and see this new movie. On the opposite side, if you're using an harmonizing style, then you're likely to say, well, let's do whatever you want. And maybe in an avoiding style, you're not even going to talk about the fact of going out. In a cooperating style, you will first say, well, I would very much like to go and watch this new movie tonight. On the other side, I want to make sure that we also do something that you like. What are you keen to do? To conclude on the compromising style, the exchange may sound like, well, I would like to go and see the new movie. Well, I would like to stay at home. Okay, let's watch Netflix together. Now that we understand those 5 styles, let me give you 3 key messages that can help you to put the concept together. The first one is that there is not right or wrong style. The right style will depend on the situation. So the way you manage a conflict in a one-off type of negotiation may be different from the way you manage a conflict in an ongoing business relationship. Second message, you want to build flexibility. You want to be able to use different styles for different type of situation. To learn a bit more, maybe you even want to do a conflict management test. There are a number of them on the web. The most popular one is the Thomas Tillman one. And then you understand more about your natural way to deal with conflict and which are the styles that you want to develop so that you can build this flexibility. The third idea, be careful with the style that you naturally tend to use when your emotions go up, because it is in those type of situations that we tend to do the things that we later regret. To summarize, we have seen 5 ways to deal with conflict and 3 key messages. There is not right or wrong style. We want to build flexibility so that we can use the right style for the right situation, and we want to be careful with the style that we tend to use when our emotions go up. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.